Picking the right drone isn't just about specs anymore. It's about how well the machine understands your goals. Some drones are built for cinematic content, others prioritize ease of use, and a few stand out for their exceptional tracking and range. The real challenge isn't deciding if you should get one, but which one will actually enhance your workflow or adventures without overcomplicating your setup or underperforming when it matters. In this list, you'll find 6 drones that bring their own strength to the table. They've been selected not only for image quality and flight time, but for their practical, user-centered design and reliability across different skill levels. Each of them offers a focused advantage, whether that's low light capture, smart tracking, durability, or unmatched flight performance. You'll find direct links to every product in the description, so check those out for the latest details. Number 6, Potensic Atom 2. Compact, sharp, and surprisingly stable for its size, the Potensic Atom 2 was designed with mobility and convenience in mind. Weighing in under 249 grams, this drone bypasses many registration requirements, allowing users to fly right out of the box. Despite its lightweight body, it packs in serious hardware, including a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor capable of capturing crisp 48 megapixel stills and HDR 4K 30 frames per second video. The result is a drone that doesn't just travel well, it delivers professional grade output in locations where bulkier models would be impractical. Flight performance here is elevated by a precise 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smoother footage even in slightly gusty conditions. The upgraded remote supports PicSync 4.0 transmission up to 10 kilometers, and real-time 1080p video feedback keeps the pilot connected to the drone's perspective with minimal lag. Added to this is an intuitive directional antenna system, which improves precision while reducing interference, a key advantage when filming in busy urban zones or scenic open ranges. The Atom 2 isn't short on creative features either. With AI-powered tracking, users can select modes like Spotlight, Follow, or Parallel, which intelligently keep subjects framed without needing manual adjustments mid-flight. The low-light performance is also a standout here, leveraging its wide aperture and pixel technology to produce clean, colorful footage even after the sun dips below the horizon. For creators who often shoot in golden hour or twilight, this drone keeps the image quality intact without relying on artificial brightening filters. Where it goes a step further is in its support for vertical shooting, panoramic modes, and cinematic tricks like dolly zoom and slow motion. These aren't just marketing extras, they're tools that dramatically improve the storytelling potential of aerial content. Add smart transfer capabilities for high-speed downloads, and you're not just filming faster, you're also publishing faster. The entire system feels tuned for on-the-go efficiency without technical bottlenecks. Number 5, Hoverair X1 Pro. There are times when traditional controllers and bulky equipment get in the way of capturing authentic moments. That's where the Hoverair X1 Pro redefines expectations. It's designed to be truly hands-free, launching with a voice command or button press and filming autonomously while the user stays focused on the scene. This drone isn't trying to compete on size or sensor specs alone. It offers a style of operation that's purpose-built for action enthusiasts, solo travelers, and creators who need to capture movement with precision but without distraction. Inside its small enclosed frame is a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization and horizon leveling, critical when you're filming in motion or facing unpredictable terrain. The 104-degree field of view enhances the immersive feel of each shot without introducing distortion. Built-in flight modes like hover, zoom out, and dolly track are fully automated, removing guesswork and freeing the pilot from constantly adjusting the drone mid-recording. That makes it ideal for cycling, skiing, or dynamic sports, where your attention can't be split between action and hardware. Durability isn't sacrificed in pursuit of mobility. The X1 Pro's housing is built with aerospace-grade material that strikes a balance between lightness and strength, helping it resist collisions and bumps. The rear time-of-flight sensor adds another safety layer, detecting obstacles and braking automatically in complex environments. This level of passive protection is rarely seen in drones this compact and ensures users can fly confidently without worrying about sudden interruptions or risky crashes. Where the X1 Pro shines brightest is in its tracking speed and environmental adaptability, capable of following subjects at up to 42 kilometers per hour and flying across snow, sand, or urban terrain. The drone's upgraded aerodynamic design reduces drag and maintains focus with accuracy. For creators who move quickly or shift between diverse filming settings, these capabilities offer enormous flexibility without needing to swap gear clutter or recalibrate constantly. A potential limitation is its internal storage, which at 32 gigabytes may feel tight for high bitrate video over long sessions. While it does support external cards, the lack of a swappable battery design also places constraints on extended shoots. That said, for the kind of creator who values portability, automation, and ease of use over manual fine-tuning, the Hoverair X1 Pro is a remarkable tool that handles the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Number 4, Ruko F11 Pro 2. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 brings an advanced feature set into a surprisingly accessible format, offering users a reliable platform for both casual flights and professional-style aerial content. At the heart of its camera system is a premium sensor capable of shooting crisp 6K stills and 4K 30 FPS video. This means finer texture, richer colors, and sharper motion clarity, even when filming in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're capturing outdoor adventures or scenic real estate shots, the footage feels polished and cinematic without the need for heavy post-processing. What sets the F11 Pro 2 apart is its 3-axis brushless gimbal, which ensures stable footage even in less than ideal weather. The gimbal absorbs micro movements and compensates for wind shifts, resulting in buttery smooth pans and steady locks on subjects in motion. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to shoot content with a professional edge, or who need consistent framing across multiple takes. When paired with the drone's built-in GPS stability, every flight feels deliberate and controlled, never twitchy or off balance. With a combined 70-minute flight time thanks to 2 included batteries, this drone is built for extended sessions. That means less downtime, fewer interruptions, and more flexibility when planning multi-location shoots or long-form content capture. And thanks to its long-range transmission capability, users can fly up to 10,000 feet while maintaining a secure digital connection. The live view stays responsive and detailed, helping pilots compose their shots with precision even at high altitude or long distance. The F11 Pro 2 also brings a suite of intelligent flight modes to the table, including GPS-based features like Follow Me, Orbit, Cruise Control, and Waypoint Flying. These automated tools give users cinematic control without manual stick input, making it easy to frame complex shots with accuracy, especially valuable for beginners or creators filming themselves solo. Combined with night photography features and built-in frame retention, this drone handles both bright days and low-light sessions with minimal noise and strong visual impact. Number 3, Dji Air 3S. The Dji Air 3S emerges as a balanced powerhouse, catering to users who seek high-end image quality without compromising on flight time or safety. Built with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Air 3S captures impressive footage in diverse lighting conditions, making it ideal for early morning aerials or twilight cinematic shots. The ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR and 14 stops of dynamic range translates into more nuanced cloud textures, subtle shadows, and realistic light transitions. Features particularly valuable to filmmakers and visual storytellers aiming for professional level output. Flight time on the Air 3S extends up to 45 minutes, which is particularly advantageous when location scouting, capturing large-scale landscapes, or conducting repeated takes. Combined with its extensive 20-kilometer transmission range, this drone allows for longer creative sessions with fewer interruptions. The consistent signal quality over vast distances ensures that you remain in control while streaming high-resolution live feeds directly from the drone, enhancing both safety and shot composition. One of the standout improvements is the omnidirectional obstacle detection system powered by forward-facing LiDAR and additional sensors, allowing the drone to detect and avoid potential hazards in real time. This makes the Air 3S highly reliable in complex environments such as urban settings, mountain passes, or dense foliage. The upgraded return-to-home logic adds another layer of trust, dynamically calculating safe return routes even when the GPS signal drops, a feature that proves its worth in remote or signal-interfered areas. While the Air 3S provides a near-complete package for enthusiasts and professionals alike, its larger form factor and weight require a bit more planning when it comes to transportation and setup. For users prioritizing maximum portability or extremely discreet operation, other options on this list may suit better. Nonetheless, for those who demand robust image fidelity, reliable range, and safety automation, the Air 3S sets a very high bar. Number 2, DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 delivers a surprisingly rich feature set in a highly compact frame, offering exceptional versatility for users who want simplicity, power, and portability combined. With a weight that stays just under the 249-gram threshold, it avoids registration in many regions while still packing the imaging capabilities of much larger models. Its 4K HDR video with dual native ISO allows for clear footage with refined contrast across different lighting situations, making it a reliable tool whether you're filming midday or capturing softer evening tones. The drone includes true vertical shooting, which is a particularly welcome addition for creators focused on social media content. With this feature, you can capture tall structures or scenes in portrait orientation without post-processing, ready to publish directly to platforms like TikTok or Instagram. When paired with DJI's quick shots or panorama modes, even casual users can produce visually engaging footage that looks professionally edited, right out of the camera. One of the most useful practical features is the DJI Mini 3's extended battery option, which can push flight time beyond the typical mark. Though the larger battery slightly increases the weight, the additional airtime, up to 51 minutes, means longer exploration, more shot variety, and reduced downtime. Additionally, the 10km HD video transmission provides reliable, high-quality feedback for precise framing and responsive controls, which is critical when operating in open landscapes or near obstructions. The only real trade-off with the Mini 3 is its lack of obstacle avoidance sensors, which means pilots will need to stay more alert when flying around trees, walls, or other hazards. While this might not be an issue for experienced users, beginners should exercise caution in tighter areas. That said, the Mini 3 is a well-rounded drone that does far more than expected from something so lightweight and travel-friendly. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. At the top of this list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a drone that raises the bar not just for portability, but for intelligent flight and visual capabilities across the board. It offers full 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second and supports vertical shooting, making it ideal for both widescreen cinematic productions and mobile-first storytelling. The 48-megapixel still image resolution ensures that fine textures, light gradients, and dynamic movement are all captured with clarity and depth, whether you're recording in bright daylight or navigating a late afternoon scene. What gives the Mini 4 Pro an edge over its peers is its advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing system. Unlike many sub-250-gram drones, this model includes detection in every direction, forward, backward, upward, and downward, enabling a level of safety typically reserved for heavier professional-grade units. This means smoother tracking, more confident maneuvering, and reduced risk of crashes, especially for beginners or those filming in obstacle-dense areas like forests, ruins, or cityscapes. The drone's 20km maximum video transmission range makes it a standout for extended shoots and exploration, particularly when filming large properties, events, or wide natural landscapes. The image transmission is not only far-reaching, but also stable and high definition, maintaining fluid visual contact even at long distances. This consistency allows creators to frame complex shots with precision and maintain full control throughout the flight, avoiding the guessing game often seen with lower range systems. With customizable active track 360 degrees built in, even complex path following shots become easy to manage. This allows the drone to adjust flight routes while keeping the subject smoothly framed, which is a huge benefit for action-focused creators or solo operators. For those looking to get the most out of their drone without stepping into commercial-grade pricing and bulk, the Mini 4 Pro hits a unique sweet spot of intelligence, image quality, and peace of mind. Every drone featured in this list was chosen for a reason. Some push the limits of creative flight, others simplify the flying process, and a few deliver elite-level performance without the complexity. Your ideal pick will come down to what matters most: ease of use, cinematic tools, portability, or range. No matter your experience level, there's something here designed to elevate the way you shoot from the sky. All of these models are linked in the video description, so if one caught your attention, don't forget to scroll down and check the latest details, availability, and offers. Let us know which drone fits your needs best, and if you found this guide helpful, stick around for more content just like this.